Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I'm going to share with you the number one enemy to a homemaker's life. Welcome back to the Daily Connoisseur. I've had something on my mind recently because I'm experiencing it myself. We should always be growing in maturity as adults and getting wiser, and that involves assessing our own behavior, truthfully. I go through stages in life where I feel exhausted. Can you relate? The burdens of everyday life and the chores that go along with them seem to be too much to handle sometimes. I often think of the past and how women of past ages were able to handle it all. As time has moved on, technology has advanced, so our homemaking should be getting easier. But also, as technology progresses, we have much more to entertain ourselves with. And this is where the number one enemy to homemaking comes in. I believe that it is distraction. Distraction. We are distracted by our phones, the television, by text messages, social media, and yes, even YouTube videos like this one. Distracted because life can feel so hard. We frequently reward ourselves with treats by checking our phones and mindlessly scrolling. You'll hop on Facebook just to have a quick look, and soon as you know it, an hour has passed. We fill our online shopping carts with items and do virtual window shopping. We can get into an endless text chain with our girlfriends, which provides so much comfort, but also takes us away from the tasks that we need to do. Distraction, the number one enemy of homemakers. I fall privy to distraction on a daily basis. So what I've been working on lately is recognizing my distractions. I call them out. I notice how addicted I am to checking my email and my notifications. I notice the strong desire I get to send off a text message before I begin any chore. A great way to combat these distractions is to consciously make the choice to finish your chore first, and then you will reward yourself with the treat of the distraction. Over time, you will want the distraction less and less. This isn't to say that we should be all work and no play, not at all. I like to listen to audiobooks and podcasts while I work. I also like to watch my favorite YouTube channels or listen to beautiful music. I text my girlfriends every day and enjoy our repartee. So yes, we need to make time for rest and self-care in equal measure. But we should also be honest with ourselves about our distractions and how they are holding us back. Why should we care? Homemaking is hard, but it's also deeply worthy work. The beginning of a good life starts at home. Your home shapes you, shapes your children. Is it in chaos, or is it in order, or somewhere in between? Hint, it's okay to be somewhere in between. We pour ourselves into our homes because it is worthy work indeed. So as we eschew our distractions and prioritize our home life, we lift the homemakers who came before us as we carry on in the beauty of daily life.